Dear brothers and sisters, every year thousands of patients with blood cancers and blood disorders wait, not for a new drug, but for a matching stem cell donor. For them, survival depends on a bone marrow transplant, a complete reboot of the blood and immune system. Global donor registries like DKMS have saved many lives by connecting genetic matches across countries, yet the painful truth remains: most patients never find a perfect match in time. Our channel Mission Viksit India discusses new and innovative ideas to help India become a fully developed nation by 2047. Today we explore one of medicine's greatest long-term scientific challenges. Can lab-grown blood stem cells one day end the donor crisis? And can India lead that journey? Diseases like leukemia, lymphoma, and aplastic anemia destroy bone marrow, the factory that produces our blood and immunity. The only curative treatment is a blood stem cell transplant. But these stem cells must match a patient's HLA type, which is a rare genetic signature shared by very few people. That is why donor shortages are not just a logistical problem, they're actually a biological limitation. You may have heard claims about artificial blood. Yes, synthetic oxygen carriers exist. They can temporarily carry oxygen in emergencies, but let us be clear, they cannot regenerate, they cannot rebuild immunity, and they cannot cure blood cancers. They are just chemistry, not living tissue. To cure blood cancers, we need living blood stem cells. Scientists have learned to reprogram adult cells into induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSCs. These cells can become many different tissues. But here is the hard truth. No one has yet reliably created fully functional human blood stem cells from iPSCs. Teaching lab-grown cells to rebuild immunity safely for a lifetime remains one of the hardest unsolved problems in regenerative medicine. Some labs are exploring CRISPR-edited universal stem cells, but this research is early, experimental, and it's far from clinical use. There are no instant cures, there are no donor-free transplants yet. This is not a short-term race, this is a generational scientific mission. India is really uniquely positioned to contribute here. We already have advanced stem cell research happening at INSTEM Bengaluru, and there's molecular biology leadership at CCMB. Plus, we've got institutions like AIIMS, IISC, IITs, DBT, and CSIR backing us up. What we need now is focus, scale, and a strong long-term commitment. India should launch a national mission for engineered blood stem cells, with clear goals set for 10, 20, and 30 years ahead. This mission isn't going to create a cancer-free world by 2047, but it really can eliminate donor dependency for blood diseases, which is one of modern medicine's greatest challenges. To young scientists in biotechnology, genetics, medicine, and bioengineering, this problem will not be solved quickly. But the students entering labs today will be the scientists who will solve it tomorrow. The real question is not whether this breakthrough will happen, but where. A truly developed India will not promise miracles. Instead, it will commit to hard science with honesty and courage. This can be our Save a mission through science. So, do you believe India should lead the long-term global quest for lab-grown blood stem cells? Write your views in the comments. Share this video, and subscribe to Mission Viksit India. Jai Hind.